Hi, I'm Corinne here at Dee's in Louisville, Kentucky, and we're going to show you how to make a bright summer wreath for your door. This one's going to be very simple. I just have 3 stems in it. And you're going to be able to find this kit on our shopdeeslouisville.com website. So I'm going to have 2 brightly colored floral stems. Everything's already on there, so it's going to be an easy one to make. And then I have 1 stem of greenery here. I'm actually going to use this probably all as one piece, and then I might take 1 little piece off if I need, some extra height. But I'm going to start by opening this up, cut off the tag, and we're really going to open this up as much as we can, all the way. Just like that. Then I'm going to take this stem and dip it into our glue. And this is going to go kind of off center, but right in the middle of where our design is going to go. And then once I've got it on the wreath, I can kind of manipulate it just a little bit more. Just like that. And for these stems, my first one, we're going to keep it completely intact. The second one, we're going to cut into 2 pieces. So this one's going to go up on the wreath. Again, you want to open up all of these stems so it's nice and full. Cut off your end. Leave a little room so you can stick it into your wreath. And then I'm just going to come down in here, find a place where it'll fit into my wreath. Open that up, and then what we want to do is take some of these stems and bring them back in front so it's nice and integrated into the wreath. Just like that. And then our second one, I'm going to open up this bottom part here, and you can see there's a couple of sections here. I'm going to cut this taller section off. And you can leave it all as one piece if you want to. It just kind of gives you a little bit more control if you cut them apart. Dip that into the glue as well. And this one is going to go down at an angle. Like so. All the way up in there. And then our last piece, if you can't get it all in one cut, you can kind of break it and then cut it again. I'm going to open this one up as well. And this one's going to come in this direction. Find a spot where it will fit. And that gives you a nice, open, full look here. Then the last thing we're going to do is place our bow. So I have these really nice, bright ribbons for this wreath. You're going to V-cut all of your ends. And we do have YouTube videos that show you how to make these bows. And I'm going to do 2 loops of each color. Just one right on top of the other. And I like to make my tails, slightly different lengths. Just gives you a little bit of variety there. And then with our cloth covered floral wire, just tie that onto the wreath. I'm gonna put this right in the middle. Sometimes you gotta move some of your leaves out of the way. Well, and I pulled those off. I can add those back on. In fact, I might actually put those in the center of my bow so that it just looks a little bit more cohesive. So it doesn't look like we just stuck a bow into the middle of a whole bunch of greenery. I think that's the perfect solution. Dip those in the glue just a little bit. I'm gonna slide those right in the middle of the bow. See how that just kind of makes the bow look like it belongs there. V-cut our ends. Pull all those flowers forward so you can see them. Just like that. And there we have a nice bright summer wreath for your door. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to check us out on Facebook and Instagram, and you can find this kit on our shopdeeslouisville.com website.